Hi everybody and welcome to word problem 22, I believe. This is a read, draw, write problem. So make sure that when you do this, you're going to read it through, find the good information, pull the good information out, and make sure you have some kind of math down before you, like some kind of drawing. It could be a math problem, equation, could be a picture. A lot of times I'm going to draw a picture, but I'm going to do that before I do the W, which is write out my answer. If at any point in time you think you're comfortable enough to do this on your own, feel free. I'm not going to be doing the answers for these problems for a while because I feel like these are ones that you can try out on your own. So post your answers down below in the comment section in Google Classroom because you can't comment on my videos in YouTube. So here's our problem. There are 12 tables in the cafeteria. 5 students sit at each of the first 11 tables. 3 students sit at the last table. How many students are sitting at the 12 tables? So you could draw this picture out with the round tables we have at the cafeteria, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to set this up as my favorite way to do math problems, tape diagrams. So there are 12 tables in the cafeteria. 5 students sit at each of the first 11 tables. So we have 12 tables, 5 students at each of the first 11 tables. So remember, not every table has 11. And 3 students at the last table. How many students are at all 12 tables? So I'm going to do this as a tape diagram. Set that up. How many boxes am I going to divide it into? 12. 1 for each table. 1, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just want to make sure I have the right amount, otherwise it wouldn't work. So there are 12 tables in the cafeteria, 5 students at each of the sit at each of the first 11. So I'm going to go to make sure I'm marking that off so I know that that's where I'm going to stop. So it's going to be 5 here, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Oh, almost went too far because that last table doesn't have 5 kids at it. The last 3 students are at the last table. So there's that. How many students are sitting at all 12 tables? I'm going to leave this set up. When you're mapping it out, and if you want to use a tape diagram for it, I would not actually count, but I would not put 5, 5, 5. I would actually count by 5s as I go and make sure I stop at that 11th table before I put the 3rd one in. I'm not going to tell you the answer, so make sure you comment below in Google Classroom to let me know what the answer to this problem is and how many students are sitting at all 12 tables. All right, guys, have a great day.